The trending topic going across the globe is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? First off, what is affiliate? Affiliate is you and I trafficking people to a particular product through an affiliate program for the business owners or the company selling the product. Let me put it in a layman foundation. What am I trying to say is this: a company produces a product and does a affiliate program. So we as individuals, we go there and sign in under the affiliate program, and they create a link for us to promote our traffic that link or traffic people to that link to get a particular product through our affiliate link. So we get commissions when the buyers use our link to get a product from the business owner or the company. Let me repeat it myself again. Let me give you as an example. I'm a company that produce shoes, and I have an affiliate program whereby, as an individual, if you come in and register on my affiliate program, I will create a link for you that you promote to people or out there. So anybody that clicks on that your link and not just clicks and buy a product through your link, affiliate link, I'll be giving you 20% commission. So for instance, now I'm selling a fan, and you are my affiliate program, and you have your own affiliate link, and you promote that affiliate link, and you got traffic from people, and people were clicking on that link and they're buying a product, different kind of product through that your affiliate link. I'll be giving commission, 20% commission. It is automatic, it is set, it is not something that is not a negotiation. It is set. Before you sign in my affiliate program, I will give you they'll give you the rules and guidelines of the commissions you'll be receiving. So there are different affiliate programs you can attend. And before I end this video, I'll be giving you some right away. But how can you traffic your affiliate link? Like I said, it's not just by letting people clicking on that link and you get paid. You don't get paid by them clicking on the link. You get paid by them buying something through that your link. So for instance, now Amazon pays people, I don't know how much they pay, but they pay 20%, 10% commission when somebody buys through the affiliate link. So they pay you. So that's how you get your money. So you can be sleeping on your bed and hundreds of people are clicking on your link, not just clicking the link, they're buying products. So different type of products. I think the product determines the percentage you'll be getting. I don't know, some companies do like that. So the more the product, the more the commission you get. So just imagine that. So affiliate marketing is going very big in the next future because people want more people to get products and they want to help us. So it's just like they're helping us too. So we're the middlemen of the business. We connect the buyers to the producers or to the companies. So that's what we do. That's why we're called the affiliate. We have a relationship between the consumers and the buyers. So our job is to bring people to buy products through our affiliate link, and we get paid by the producers or by the company. So that is the easy peasy way of affiliate marketing. I think I've done justice to that. So how can you traffic your affiliate link to more people so people can click on that link and buy something for it? Look no further. I'm going to show you now quickly. How can you traffic that link? See, the first thing you need to do is you need to find specific people that need a particular product first. No, though if you are popular or you have a fame whereby you can promote things and people get it from you, no problem. You can use your Instagram, you can use your WhatsApp, you can use your TikTok. People click on that link because you are an influencer, you're a brand influencer. But if you're not a brand influencer like me, what we need to do is we need to go to forums or websites or different forums, QUORA Digest, Pinterest. Also, website I mentioned, a lot of websites or blog where people go there to ask for specific questions. For instance, now I have pimples on my face and I want to clear these pimples. I don't know the cream to use. I'll just go to QUORA Digest. Please, I have pimples on my face. QUORA Digest, I'll show it on you. It's on your screen right now. QUORA Digest. You can register and sign in for a forum right there. So they'll be giving emails about questions and different things people are asking about. So you go there and you ask, I need a cream that can clear my pimples. So you as an affiliate, you have an affiliate link. So what you need to go is go to QUORA Digest, look for questions related to creams. Creams that clears pimples. So if you are signed under a affiliate program, like I did an affiliate program on my channel right there, Monich. So Monich does a cream and diet and other body cream and stuff. So you can use Monich affiliate link and promote it right there on your QUORA Digest. So go to the comments and look at people that are looking for creams that can clear their pimples and promote your affiliate link regarding that is related to the cream. So it's not just promoting your link on the questions of QUORA Digest. So there are different kind of products. If your affiliate program is about selling, there are different types of affiliate programs. So I'll be dropping them before I go. If the affiliate program is about in your company, or the affiliate link you are trying to promote sells digitals like phone, laptops, go to QUORA Digest, see questions right there. People are posting questions, or go to Pinterest, download the pictures of gadgets that company is selling, then drop it right there, talk about it, leave a description, and put your link right there. So you just say, okay, first let me just say I want to sell a brand new iPhone 13 from a company doing an affiliate program of iPhone 13. So I'll get paid if someone gets to click on my link and buy a product, right? So I'll go to the Pinterest, post pictures about, can you do video yourself? Can do a video review about the phone, talk about it, sweet mouth about it. It's about marketing. You're marketing to people, you're trying to traffic your link to other people. So you have to talk about it. So what you're going to do is put a description. This is a phone, this is the best phone, talk about it, then just put your link right there. So if you want to get this product, this is the link to get it. So if people click on the link, they'll buy that product and you'll be getting paid while you're sleeping. So affiliate marketing is very sweet. So if you're not on affiliate marketing, I'm not saying affiliate marketing is the only way to make money. There are different ways to make money. Yeah, so affiliate marketing is one of the ways to make money. So that's I'm trying to help you right there to do affiliate marketing. So let me quickly give you the affiliate programs you can do. There is Amazon affiliate program, there is Shopify, there is shareasale.com, which I'm currently doing, shareasale.com. I think I did a program, so you can watch the video right here and go and watch the video. I did a share a sale program right here. They are also they're different. The Home Depot, Shopify. There's ClickBanks. Though ClickBanks doesn't work in Nigeria though, but sorry, there's a way you can do it to work, right? There's also Flex Offers and PPC, pay per link. There are different affiliate programs, so go there right there and register on different affiliate programs that you can get paid from commission. So the best thing is make sure you are promoting your link to people who need that product. If you are a brand influencer, fine. If you post a link, people want to click because they want to know what you are using. So if you're a brand influencer, don't waste your time. Your followers, your TikTok followers, your Snapchat followers, use them to get money, right? You're just posting pictures and posting videos, but you're not making money. So use your followers on Instagram, YouTube, and other social media devices to make money right here. So I'm Six Visuals. This is Invest Talks. I'm your host. I'm not a ghost. I'm actually doing my best in my YouTube post to help you in terms of affiliate marketing, NFTs, Bitcoins, and all over and how to make money, right? That's what I do right here. So I'm helping you about affiliate marketing today. If you enjoyed this video and you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel Investors, and turn on the notification button so anytime I post you'll be the first to see it. This is Investors. I'm Steve Visuals. When I speak, you just gotta listen.